A very good morning to one and all present here. So, same time, same show. Today, we are starting with Unit 8, and in this unit, we are going to talk about what is the meaning of insurance, what is the function of insurance, what are the characteristics of insurance, economic significance, and social significance of insurance. As we have already discussed about what is insurance, I think again we shall start with the basic understanding of insurance. Insurance is generally a contract or an agreement which is called a policy. Terms and conditions to be stated when we are applying for any insurance. An insurance policy is a contract in which an individual or an organization gets financial protection and compensation for any damages by the insurer of the insurance company. In simpler words, one can answer what is an insurance policy as a form of protection from the unexpected loss or damage. In simpler words, one can answer what is insurance policy is a form of protection from any unexpected loss and damage. And I think we all are experiencing this because we always get some amount of money if we have an insurance policy. That's why any new car we have, we always do insurance so that we can have something in return when the car is being damaged or it has been accidental case. Next, if we talk about functions of insurance, so I think functions of insurance are that they provide the certain amount to the insured person, they provide the protection to the family, and they are the risk sharing persons for us because we are distributing or we are sharing our risk to the insurance companies wherein we are expecting some return in exchange. It also provides us the capital for which we can again start, and it is a boosting for the economy. Why it is boosting for the economy? Because ultimately the money is being generated out of it. We are again coming with the we are again coming with the high potential of economic advantages, and ultimately it is up improving the efficiency as well. If we talk about characteristics of insurance. So yes, it is a sharing of risk wherein we are sharing our risk with the persons. Value of risk, for example, we are at loss. Then then what will happen is the insurance company is going to give some amount of shared amount to us, which will increase the value of the risk because we will be getting certain amount wherein we can reduce the contingency of the risk. What is the payment and contingency? Something has happened and we are able to get our money at the return back. That's why it is being originated that payment at contingency. Then we have the large number of insured persons. What is it all about? It is something that each and everybody in this field are now is now investing amounts so that they can have something in return if some contingencies, if some uncertainties appear. And insurance, people think that insurance is kind of a gambling, but insurance is not a gambling. Insurance is something when you are investing your own money, your hard-earned money, you will be definitely getting it back at the time of contingency because we are investing in insurance because we have some purpose out of it. We are not investing out of any not accepting that. So this is something, insurance is not a gambling, it is a proper investment wherein we are getting something in out of return also. So what is the economic significance? If we talk about the economic significance, so it plays a crucial role in economic development because it is providing the financial protection to the individuals, to the businesses and governments. It is also helping us in mitigating the risk and uncertainties which are associated with the various activities. For example, investment and promotes economic growth. If we talk about the insurance, so what happens is we are not able to get the proper returns if we are not insured. If we are investing in the insurance, then yes, definitely we are getting something in return, and that investment will help us a lot at the end of the day or at the end of the month or whenever the uncertainties will be happening. More financial education and better understanding of the exposure to loss and its consequences would help in understanding insurance, an intangible product not as an expense but as an investment. Prior, the insurance was a myth that it is not an investment, but yes, it is a kind of an investment because when you invest a small amount on the monthly basis or weekly basis or yearly basis, it becomes a huge amount. So when any contingency appeared, we can always go back to our the investment policies, to the insurance companies, and we can have our money back. That's why it has a it has a very crucial economic significance because our money is floating and this money is helping out to other individuals also. It is not something stuck with us only. It is something the insurance companies are providing many and many, economic help to the people who are doing the business. Then social significance. What is social significance? It is something when we are going for the medical emergencies, the hospitalization, or the government schemes like Chiranjeevi Seva, in which we are, in which our kid can be cured up to 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs rupees, and the government will be able to justify that medical care requirement. Or we have insurance policies of our senior citizens in which they are getting the good financial strength of their for their own satisfaction for their own problems. So this is how the social significance is running for the illness and the contraction of the illness. The financial loss to the family due to the unfortunate death of the sole earner. This could be the insurance plan wherein the life the one person can have a life insurance policy so that it will be done on the basis of that only. You must have seen that the sole earner of the family might be investing in the insurance plans like life insurance policies so that the family will be getting something in return when they are not able to. You must have seen that the insurance plans has been taken by the sole owner of the families, the life insurance, so that they can nominate their wife or their children just to have the advantage of that money which he was investing so that they can have strong in the financial terms. On the social scale, the role of insurance is to increase the rational risk-taking capacity in the society. Why we are taking the insurance so that we can have the safety or security at the end of the day, and we have a confidence that yes, if something will happen, I have an insurance company from where I can have some amount of money, and that will help me a lot at the time of any uncertainty, any contingency, or anything worst will be, or anything worst which could happen with me at the end of the time. This is how the insurance has its own significance. The insurance has a very important advantage. If we have insurance, we can have our life at a very soothing pace, and yes, it will help us a lot in the future also.